The verb to be. The verb to be is the most common verb in the English language and has many uses. It can be used for many reasons and is a very complicated verb. We're going to look at some of the ways that we can use this verb. We're not really going to talk about what its use is because that should be apparent, by the way the sentences are used, but I'll talk about it very, very briefly. Let's have a look. So let's have a look at the past form of to be, of the verb to be, right? And we'll look at all the pronouns for it. I was. I was. You were. You were. He was. He was. She was. She was. It was. It was. We were. We were. They were. They were. So basically saying I was doing something, or I was something, or somewhere. So I was at home, I was eating, I was playing, I was stupid, whatever. We're saying I was something, doing something, or somewhere. And it's the same here. You were something, doing something, or somewhere. He was something, or somewhere, or doing something. She was something, or doing something, or somewhere. It was something, somewhere, doing something. We were something, somewhere, doing something. They were something, somewhere, doing something. Let's have a look at some example sentences. Examples 1. I was at home. I was at home. I was driving my car. I was driving my car. I was not at home. I was not at home. You were eating. You were eating. You were eating. You were here. You were here. You were in the yard. You were in the yard. Examples 2. He was at home. He was at home. He was eating popcorn. He was eating popcorn. He was asleep. He was asleep. She was in the kitchen. She was in the kitchen. She was at home. She was at home. She was playing games. She was playing games. Examples 3. It was difficult. It was difficult. It was cold. It was cold. It was very purple. It was very purple. We were cold. We were cold. We were at home. We were at home. We were eating. We were eating. Examples 4. They were happy. They were happy. They were in the kitchen. They were in the kitchen. They were blue. They were blue. Let's move on to a question. So the question I'll ask you is, can you write 3 sentences for each of the past tense forms of the verb to be? What I mean by each form is, for each pronoun, can you write its past tense form? Can you write 3 sentences for each pronoun in the past tense form of the verb to be? So example, I was something, he was something, we were something, they were something. I hope you can. Good luck. I'll give you a few seconds to pause the video. Okay, moving on. Present tense form of to be, the verb to be. Let's have a look, shall we? I am. I am. You are. You are. He is. He is. She is. She is. It is. It is. We are. We are. They are. They are. So again, we'll go through this. I am, right now, in this moment, I am doing something. I am something. I am somewhere. You are doing something. You are somewhere. You are something. He is doing something somewhere. She is doing something or somewhere. It is doing something or somewhere. We are doing something or somewhere. They are doing something or somewhere. Let's have a look at some examples. Examples 1. I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. I am happy today. I am happy today. I am swimming. I am swimming. You are 9 years old. You are 9 years old. You are cold. You are cold. You are eating popcorn. You are eating popcorn. Examples 2. He is 9 years old. He is 9 years old. He is very energetic. He is very energetic. He is smiling. He is smiling. She is laughing. She is laughing. She is pretty. She is pretty. She is tired. She is tired. Examples number 3. It is cold. It is cold. It is old. It is old. It is working. It is working. We are cold. We are cold. We are eating. We are eating. We are at home. We are at home. Examples number 4. They are warm. They are warm. They are swimming. They are swimming. They are in the kitchen. They are in the kitchen. On to a question. It's the same question as before, but for the present tense form of the verb to be. So, can you write 3 sentences for each of the present tense forms of the verb to be? So, can you write 3 sentences for each pronoun for the present tense form of the verb to be? For example, I don't know, I am, he is, she is, we are, etc., etc., etc. Good luck. I hope you can do it. You can pause the video if you want. I'll give you a few seconds to do so. Okay, moving on. The future tense of present participle form of to be, the verb to be. Let's have a look. I will be. I will be. You will be. You will be. He will be. He will be. She will be. She will be. It will be. It will be. We will be. We will be. They will be. They will be. So, this is basically saying, in the future, I will be doing something, or I will feel something, or be somewhere. You will, in the future, be something, or doing something, or somewhere. He will be doing something or somewhere. She will be doing something or somewhere. It will be doing something or somewhere. We will be doing something or somewhere. They will be doing something or somewhere. Doing what? They will be eating, or they will be at home. They will be happy. They will be swimming tomorrow, etc., etc. Let's have a look at some example sentences. Examples 1. I will be fine. I will be fine. I will be at home later. I will be at home later. I will eat. I will eat. You will be okay. You will be okay. You will run in October. You will run in October. You will eat sushi tonight. You will eat sushi tonight. Examples number 2. He will be happy. He will be happy. He will attend the event. He will attend the event. He will eat mushrooms. He will eat mushrooms. She will come here. She will come here. She will swim tomorrow. She will swim tomorrow. She will buy an iPhone. She will buy an iPhone. Examples 3. It will be okay. It will be okay. It will work. It will work. It will be cold tomorrow. It will be cold tomorrow. We will be okay. We will be okay. We will eat chicken. We will eat chicken. We will smile. We will smile. Examples number 4. They will be okay. They will be okay. They will eat chicken. They will eat chicken. They will be cold. They will be cold. Question for the present participle form. It's the same as the last question. Can you write 3 sentences for each of the present participle forms of the verb to be? So can you write 3 sentences in present participle form of the verb to be for each pronoun? For each pronoun. I will, blah, blah, blah. I am, blah, blah, blah. Whatever, right? Good luck. I'll give you a few seconds to pause the video. Okay, moving on. Past participle form of to be. Let's have a look. I have been. I have been. You have been. You have been. He has been. He has been. She has been. She has been. It has been. It has been. They have been. They have been. We have been. We have been. So, for example, I have been doing something. I have been swimming all day. Or I have been somewhere. I have been at the markets, right? Or I have been something. I have been happy today. I have been very happy today, for example. You have been something. You have been very good today. You have been doing something. You have been swimming all day. You have been somewhere. You have been to my house, right? He has been somewhere or doing something. She has been somewhere or doing something. It has been somewhere or doing something. They have been somewhere or doing something. We have been somewhere or doing something. Let's have a look at some examples. Examples number 1. I have been to your house. I have been to your house. I have been angry all day. I have been angry all day. I have been tired all day. I have been tired all day. You have been a good friend. You have been a good friend. You have been to the cinema. You have been to the cinema. You have been to my house. You have been to my house. Examples number 2. She has been to Vegas. She has been to Vegas. She has been a bad person. She has been a bad person. She has been here before. She has been here before. He has been a silly person. He has been a silly person. He has been to your house. He has been to your house. He has been here before. He has been here before. Examples number 3. It has been a good day. It has been a good day. It has been a cold day. It has been a cold day. It has been a bad experience. It has been a bad experience. They have been stupid. They have been stupid. They have been good friends. They have been good friends. They have been too serious. They have been too serious. Examples number 4. We have been to the mall. We have been to the mall. We have been very happy today. We have been very happy today. We have been to the house. We have been to the house. And we'll end on a question. Same question. Can you write 3 sentences for each of the past participle forms of the verb to be? So, can you write 3 sentences using the pronoun I for the past participle form of the verb to be, and also using she, it, we, they, he, you, etc., etc.? I'll give you a few seconds to pause the video. Good luck answering the question.